afternoon to our RANsquawk listeners. So we've just finished slightly lower in Europe just now, and that's despite the early optimism we saw at the beginning of the session following the press conference overnight from Brussels, where they decided on quite a few aspects of the Greek package. So of note, they decided on the coupons for the Greek bonds, so around 2% for those maturing up to 2015, 3% up to 21, and about 4.3% for bonds maturing thereafter. So a lot of the comments today have been surrounding that meeting. We've seen several from Eurozone finance ministers and diplomats and other representatives, including economy ministers. Other than that, it's been a relatively quiet session. The dollar index has weakened somewhat. It is trading roughly flat at the moment. Euro-dollar was in negative territory, however, we have pared back some of those losses. In terms of WTI crude future today, we were up significantly. We were up over $1, trading around $105 per barrel. And in terms of headlines today, we did see market talk that the ECB may make the LTRO on the 29th of February their final one. So we saw quite a bit of weakness in the financials, one of the worst performing sectors in Europe and the US. Now, looking ahead to the rest of the session, we do have a Greek cabinet meeting that's scheduled for 5 o'clock, so they're set to approve those measures agreed last night, so a lot of focus will be on that meeting. We've also got the Fed discount rate minutes, that's due at 7 o'clock in London or 1 o'clock in Chicago. And as well, we've got the US 2-year note auctions. That's the $35 billion worth of 2-year notes, and that's scheduled for 6 o'clock London or midday in Chicago. But for the time being, that's enough from me. We'll have another update for you a bit later on at the US close, but enjoy the rest of the session.